Hello, everyone. Welcome back today. Stop scrolling and listen carefully now. This is not a loud motivation. This is a calm, honest talk.
If you feel tired right now, not sleepy, but deeply tired, this message is meant for you. Please stay with us a little.
Many people feel tired silently. They smile but feel empty inside. They keep going without rest until everything feels too heavy.
Today, we talk about that feeling, the quiet tired nobody sees, the tired that makes you doubt your dreams, your strength, yourself.
Let me say this very clearly. Feeling tired is not weakness. It means you have been trying, and trying always costs energy.
People quit when they are tired, not because dreams are wrong, but because rest was missing. That is a very important difference.
In modern life, people work nonstop. Deadlines, messages, responsibilities everywhere. The mind never truly rests. Even at night, thoughts continue.
You wake up already exhausted before the day even starts. Your body moves automatically, but your heart feels slow.
When you feel like this, your mind starts lying softly. It says, maybe I'm not enough. Maybe I should just quit.
But listen very carefully now. Tired thoughts are not truth. They are temporary signals asking you to slow down.
Do not make life decisions when your energy is empty. A tired mind sees darkness even where light still exists.
Instead, do something very simple. Pause for a short moment. Take a slow, deep breath. Give yourself permission to rest.
Rest does not mean quitting. Rest means preparing to continue. Strong people know this secret. They rest before breaking completely.
Many successful people felt exhausted. They wanted to stop many times, but they rested, not surrendered. That choice changed everything.
Sometimes rest looks very small, sleeping 1 extra hour, drinking water instead of coffee, turning off your phone briefly.
Sometimes rest is emotional too. Talking to someone who listens, listening to calm, quiet sounds, or doing nothing without guilt.
Please stop comparing your life to perfect lives on social media. You see edited moments only, not their stress or struggles.
Comparison steals your energy fast. It makes tiredness feel worse. Your path is unique and slow does not mean wrong.
If you are learning English now and you feel stuck sometimes, that feeling is very normal. Learning also needs mental energy.
Some days, words disappear suddenly. Your brain feels foggy and slow. That does not mean failure. It means you need gentle rest.
Progress is not always visible. Sometimes progress is not quitting, opening the book again tomorrow, listening even when tired today.
Small steps still move you forward. 5 minutes still counts today. Consistency beats motivation, especially on difficult, tired days.
When you feel tired deeply, do not judge yourself harshly. Speak to yourself kindly instead, like you would to a friend.
Say this simple, honest sentence. I'm tired, not broken. I need rest, not quitting. This moment will pass soon.
Life has seasons like nature. Some seasons are full of growth. Others are quiet and heavy. Both seasons are equally important.
You cannot bloom all the time. Even strong trees need winter. They look dead, but prepare inside for new growth later on.
If today feels like winter, that does not mean the end. It means something new is forming, quietly, patiently inside you.
Do not rush your healing process. Do not shame your tired heart. Healing is not loud or fast. It is slow, calm, and private.
Right now, you are still here, listening instead of giving up. That alone shows real strength, even if you don't feel it.
Strength is not constant energy. Strength is continuing after rest. Strength is choosing not to quit, even when quitting feels easier.
Before we end this episode, take another slow, deep breath. Let your shoulders relax gently. You are safe in this moment.
Remember this message today. When you feel tired, pause. Rest your mind and body, but please do not give up.
Let's slow down even more. This part is very important because tired people need softness, not pressure, not loud advice.
Many people think rest is lazy, but rest is actually very wise. Without rest, effort becomes pain, and pain slowly kills motivation.
Think about your phone battery. When it reaches very low, apps start closing automatically. Performance becomes slow and unstable.
Your body and mind work similarly. When energy is very low, you lose focus and patience. Small problems feel very big.
That's why quitting feels attractive when you're extremely tired, not because quitting is right, but because rest is missing.
So the solution is very simple, not easy, but very clear. Recharge first before deciding. Give yourself time and space.
Sometimes rest means changing pace, not stopping everything completely, doing things slower than before, lowering expectations for one day.
You don't need perfect days. You need honest, sustainable days. Days that don't destroy you. Days that you can repeat.
Let's talk about guilt now. Many tired people feel guilty. Guilty for resting or slowing. Guilty for not doing enough.
But guilt does not create progress. Guilt only creates more exhaustion. Kindness creates healing and clarity. Kindness helps you continue longer.
If today you feel unproductive, please do not punish yourself. You are not a machine. You are a living human.
Humans need breaks and pauses. They need quiet and silence. They need moments without pressure to remember who they are.
When you rest without guilt, your mind slowly becomes clearer. You start thinking more gently. You see solutions instead of fear.
This is why rest is powerful. It is not weakness or escape. It is preparation for endurance. It helps you survive long journeys.
Life is not a short sprint. It's a very long marathon. Running too fast burns energy. Pacing yourself keeps you alive.
Many people quit near success because they were extremely tired. They did not fail mentally. They simply ran without resting.
So if you are tired today, please hear this message clearly. Do not judge your entire life based on this exhausted moment.
Moments pass, even heavy ones. Feelings change, even painful ones. This tiredness will not stay forever, even if it feels endless now.
You are allowed to slow down. You are allowed to rest today. You are allowed to feel tired without giving up your dreams.
Your dreams do not disappear with rest. They disappear only when abandoned. Protect them by protecting yourself. That's real maturity and strength.
Right now, choose one small kindness. Maybe stretch your body gently. Maybe drink water slowly. Maybe close your eyes briefly.
Small actions send powerful messages. They tell your brain you care, and caring rebuilds inner motivation, much better than harsh pressure.
Before we finish this part, let us remind you again, You are not behind in life. You are just moving at your speed.
Your speed does not define worth. Your rest does not cancel progress. Your tired days still count because you did not quit today.
Stay with us till the end. Let these words sink slowly. You deserve calm and understanding, especially from yourself today.
When you feel tired tomorrow, remember this calm voice moment. Rest your mind and body, but please do not give up.
Your story is still unfolding. This chapter is only difficult. Better days still exist ahead. Keep walking slowly with hope.
Thank you for listening till now. We truly appreciate your time. You are not alone in this. We believe in you deeply.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next lesson.